Welcome to the session on role of operating system. In this session, we will understand about the role of operating system in computing devices. The role of an operating system. There are three roles. The first role, the operating system acts as an user or computer interface. The second role, operating system acts as a resource manager. And the third role of operating system is a software. We'll discuss one by one. The role of operating system as a computer interface. What it means? The operating system acts as an interface between the hardware, software structure, layered organization. The operating system services to the user. Here you see the diagram. We have an application program and the operating system is here. So the operating system acts as an interface between the hardware, the bottom part, and the top part of applications and libraries. So operating system acts as an interface between the top application programs or user with the bottom hardware or the resources. The second role, operating system acts as a resource manager. Computer has many resources. So the resources has to be moving, storing, processing the data. OS is responsible for managing these resources. OS exercises its control through software. The third role, operating system as a software. The functions in the way as an ordinary computer software. Program or suite of the programs executed by the processor. Frequently relinquishes control and must depend on the processor to allow it to regain control. So the operating system only acts as a software to manage all these functions in the operating systems. Resource management. What it means resource management? See the diagram. Here the computer system have memory, processor, input-output controller, and externally we have many input-output devices, and that devices consist of storage with OS, program and data storage. So the storages are managed by the operating system through the device controls. Break for the questions. Let's answer the question. Which of the following is not a role of operating system? Network filtering, resource manager, system software, user interface. Clearly we know the network filter is not the role of operating system. Rather, the remaining three are the roles of an operating system. So answer A, network filter. The second question, which of the following resource is not managed by the operating system? Mouse, natural gas, keyboard, memory. So memory, keyboard and mouse are all devices. They are all managed by the operating system. So the answer is B, natural gas. In this session, we understood about the role of an operating system. Happy learning. Thank you.